Hey guys, Fuego here. Just got a new bike lock from Velo. We're doing a little installation video on my saddle. So what comes with your new bike lock from Velo? You have one snake cable, one heavy duty U-lock with keys, attachment fitting for your ride, and a set of directions. Hopefully I can still read. It's been a while since I've been in school.
Do I still know how to read? It's been a while since I've read a book. Wait, I got it.
It's actually pretty simple, just two pieces. Attaches right like that. Now we're in business. Now we got the mount attached, we're just snapping the bike lock, and we're good to go.